Today in this video, I'm going to share some information about the difference between the codings and programming. What is mean by codings and what is the difference between the codings and the programming? First, codings. Codings is basically the process of writing codes from one language to another. So basically changes of language. That's it. That's called as coding. And programming is developing an executable machine program which performs a set of instructions. And second, codings facilitate the communication between the human and machines. And here in programming, writing the codings that the human input and machine output remains in sync. Codings is the initial step of programming complex queries. Programming is handling different complex situations and queries. It's very easy. Coding's handling is very easier than programming, but in programming, it is much more complex than coding. Thank you all.